Today we are making quince, a fall fruit that looks like an apple or a pear, but you cannot eat it raw. You first have to cook it. And so we're gonna cook it the Moroccan way. We're gonna caramelize it with some cinnamon and some star anise, and it's gonna make your house smell like fall. For this recipe, I'm using roughly 1 kilo of lamb back. This is something that I use a lot whenever I'm making a tagine, whenever I'm making something that cooks in an open pot. So first thing, 1.5 teaspoons of smen. Of course, if you don't have it, you can skip smen, but it just adds a very nice umami flavor for all Moroccan dishes. My pan is on medium-high heat. I added 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You already hear the sizzling. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it cook for a minute or two, then change it to the other side, and then I'm gonna add some spices. Just need it to get a little bit of color and dry out of all the moisture. Now I'm gonna add my spices. 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander and 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 stick of cinnamon. Just gonna flip the lamb so that the spices are seared on both sides. So I'll cover my pot, let it cook for 10 minutes. Take the lamb aside, then add the onions. I want them to soak up all of those juices, the spices, the fat. I'll put my lamb back. And then I'm going to add roughly 300 ml of hot water. I'll cover the pot, put it in the stove behind me, and then take care of the quince. First, we're gonna need 2 lemons. Just gonna press on the lemon so that all the capsules burst, so they're very easy to juice. And then I'm gonna need some cold water. So here I have 2 giant quinces. Yeah, 800 grams of quinces. We're gonna clean them like we're cleaning an apple, put them in the lemon water so that they don't oxidize, and then proceed to boiling them. After we clean it, we make 2 cuts straight into the quince. This I'm not sure whether it's important for cooking or just a Moroccan tradition. If you know someone who has an answer, please let me know in the comment section. Why do we do that to the sfarjel? On medium heat, I have a pot here with cold water. I'm gonna add my quince to it. And once the water starts bubbling, you can count 20 to 25 minutes and then take out the quince. They should be perfectly cooked. We're still going to caramelize them after this, so you don't wanna overcook them. Time to take them out. I'm just gonna put them on some paper towels so that they dry out, and then after that we're gonna caramelize them. "50 grams of softened butter. Into that I'm gonna add 120 grams of honey. And then I'm gonna throw in my cinnamon stick and my star anise. I see some bubbles forming now. That means it's time to add the quince. There's no perfect timing for this. I'm just gonna keep caramelizing them until you get a nice golden color from both sides, and that's it. It smells like apple and cinnamon. It really smells like fall here. I mean, especially right here, right next to the pan. Just a couple of minutes here, and then I'm gonna take them and bring them back to the lamb. My lamb is perfect. It needs to reduce for a couple more minutes. I'll give it another 5 minutes to reduce the sauce, and after that we can serve. The best thing about this cut is that it cooks in an hour tops, and then you end up with very soft, lamb. This is my favorite cut. If you can, always buy a lamb back. Time to serve it. I'm gonna start with the lamb. Put it at the bottom. I'll take the cinnamon out. This looks beautiful and smells really good. And I cannot wait to finish this video so that I can go and eat it myself. And then add the sauce. And now our Sfarjel. I'm gonna take a little bit of that extra honey, butter, and cinnamon, and I'm just gonna drizzle it from the top. I always try to clean up my plate after all the sauce. And to finish, some toasted sesame seeds, and that's it. Thanks for watching till the end. Try this. It's elegant, it's tasty, it's savory, it's sweet, it's in season, absolutely fantastic. I really hope you try this at home and let me know what you think. All right, I'll see you in another video. Take care.